Esteemed viewers, greetings! I am deeply honored to welcome everyone back to my creative channel. In this episode, I will undertake the fabrication of a robust air pumping device, or air compressor, utilizing the unique combination of a refrigerant compressor and a fire extinguisher tank. This is a highly innovative procedure. I invite you to join me as we explore the entire execution process. To initiate the process, we must proceed with the disassembly of the valve, nozzle assembly, from the fire extinguisher, and thoroughly remove any residual dry chemical powder inside the tank. Subsequently, we will proceed to drill an opening on the tank body, with the aim of installing the air intake port. Immediately following, we will proceed to weld the pressure control valve into the drilled position, with the aim of preventing any pressure leakage. Proceeding, we will install an additional ball valve with the aim of controlling the precise outflow of air from the pressure tank. Following that, we will proceed to fabricate an additional structural support for the air compressor. Moving forward, we will integrate a set of wheels to optimize the unit's maneuverability and facilitate ease of transport. Thereafter, we will proceed with the installation of the refrigerant compressor, as this unit is designated to function as the primary air compression element of the machine. As a final step, we will proceed with the installation of the air hose, or tubing, to complete the pneumatic transmission system of the compressor. Now let's plug it in and test out the final result. Finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.